Hello, my fellow eggheads. This is Liz. I'm a certified technician, and today we're going to discuss how to fix a Chromebook that is stuck in a applying critical update loop. And if you find this video in any way helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more great content. So what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you, from your computer while it's turned off, hit the power button. And then we're going to let it power on for at least 30 seconds. Now, the purpose of this is what we're trying to do is reset the EC chip. Issues with the EC chip can cause this stuck in a boot loop, applying critical updates loop problem. And what you're going to do is after 30 seconds, you're going to turn your computer off again. And you are going to repeat this cycle 20 to 25 times. So the idea is turn it on for 30 seconds, then turn it all the way off, and just keep repeating 20 to 25 times, which I know sounds unusual, but this process is actually built into the Chromebook's firmware. So the idea is that if you repeat this cycle, the Chromebook may successfully reset itself. So for this simple process, easy to do yourself, you can actually stay out of the repair shop, saving you valuable money. So if you have any questions at all about this process, please feel free to leave them down below, and one of our certified technicians will get back to you. From one egghead to another egghead, this is Liz signing out.